I never thought I'd be comparing slime molds to AI, but here we are. These single-celled organisms, especially this little guy called Physarum polycephalum, are like nature's own problem-solving supercomputers. They don't have a brain, but they can navigate mazes and find the most efficient routes for food. It's like they're running their own optimization algorithms, which is pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. Now, check this out. Scientists did this crazy experiment with the Tokyo subway system. They set up a slime mold buffet that mimicked the layout of Tokyo, with food representing different stations. And get this, the slime mold formed networks that looked almost identical to the actual subway routes. It's insane! These tiny blobs were essentially designing an entire city's transportation system. This experiment is huge because it shows how we can learn from nature to create smarter, more efficient AI systems for things like urban planning and logistics. How cool is that?